Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing a review on the Lochke Revolver. First thing you need to know about it is you can get it from the gun store in Bronze or wherever you are, and it only costs, and it's quite expensive. Well, for the gun store of $6,500. So it fire 2 shots at a time, and it has 6 ammunition. Fire 2 shots at a time, has 6 ammunition, and takes this time to reload 2 shots. So it's quite quickish. Oh yeah, and it has fan fire, which makes it quite a lot quicker. So now time for the damage test. Also a shout out to this random cow here for being our damage tester. So for the body shot it's 30 damage. Headshot it's 60 damage. So 2 headshots can one shot. And 4 body shots can also easily one shot. So overall this gun is very overpriced. Well, not as overpriced as the harmless revolver, but apart from that, very overpriced. Well, for such a bad gun. For the price, I would give it a 3 out of 10. For the reload time, I would probably give it a 7 out of 10. And for overall quality, I would probably give it 5 or 6 out of 10. So that's all for today, guys. So, bye.